The big story we're getting you at this hour has got to do with the release of the hostages that is being done by Hamas as we speak. Take a look at these pictures on your screens at this point in time after years of conflict. There's so much back and forth. It's time now for hostages to be released. Hamas fighters in SUVs is what you can see on your screens at this point in time. These are the hostages that are going to be sent back to Israel. 20 Israeli hostages are getting freed, and that is going to start sometime, in fact, a few moments from now. They are going to be freed in 3 batches, is what we are learning. They're going to be freed in 2 separate sites. Homecoming of hostages after 2 years. On camera, heavily armed Hamas fighters is what you see on your screens at this point in time. It's really that very moment that Israel and many around the world have waited for months together. The hostages held by Hamas since 2023 attacks are getting released. It's being called Operation Returning Home. US President Donald Trump has been, in fact, is in Israel for this very important moment. In exchange, there would be release of 250 Palestinian prisoners and more than 1,700 detainees is what we know. Remember, on the 7th of October 2023, Hamas militants attacked Israel and abducted 251 people and took them across the border into Israel. Since then, a few of them have been released while many have perished as a result of the harsh conditions they were subjected to. The remaining hostages, 20, are believed to be alive. 28 bodies are also there, will be returning to Israel, is what the US President Donald Trump has said as per the peace plan. Pictures are from the Israel-Gaza border at this point in time. On the extreme right side of your screen, on the left side are pictures of celebration. The 20-point peace plan has been agreed upon. US President is also in Israel and will be present as the hostages are sent home. There would be 3 batches, and the story we are breaking at this point is that the first batch has now been released. The first batch of the hostages who had lived with the Hamas for 2 years now, 2 years plus, have now finally been released. This is a big development vis-a-vis the 20-point peace program of President Donald Trump, with Hamas now releasing hostages in batches. Israeli hostages are getting relieved, even as President Donald Trump has said that the war is over. Israel is expecting all 20 living hostages to be brought back successfully from Gaza, out of which the first batch, we understand, have now been released. 20 hostages who are alive and are getting freed today from Gaza. On your screens are pictures and coming in from the border at this point in time. What we also can see is Red Cross vehicle there moving along the road. The first batch of the hostages has now been released. President Donald Trump in Israel ahead of this big development today. The first batch of the 20 Israeli hostages have been released. There would be 3 batches, is what we know, in 2 sites. Now, nearly 2,000 Palestinian prisoners and detainees in Israel will also be freed as part of the first phase of the US brokered ceasefire deal, is what we know. Donald Trump would be addressing Israel's parliament as well, as what we know today, and also be meeting Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and the families of the hostages. Pictures of celebration on your screens at this point in time. Israel had been waiting for months together for the release of the hostages, which is eventually happening, which is finally, in fact, happening today. It's the handover of Israeli hostages, 1 batch of which have been sent back. Hamas has also, in fact, given out the details and the names of those hostages who are getting released today. 48 Israeli hostages, 20 of whom are believed to be alive, and of course, unfortunately, bodies will also be given to Israel today. As far as the process is concerned, The hostages are going to be handed over to the Red Cross, who will transfer them to the Israel military. On your screens, pictures are from the border where you can also see the Red Cross vehicles. Israeli helicopters are waiting just outside this strip as well. Hamas had released a list of those getting freed. They have been held in Gaza since the October 7th attacks in 2023. In exchange for the hostages, Israel will release 250 Palestinian prisoners and more than 1,700 detainees. Joining us live right now is Yifith Fokos from Hostage Square in Tel Aviv, Israel. I'm going to thank you for joining in. Please talk to us about what is the situation like right now. A great deal of optimism 2 years on. Those alive at least are going to get a chance to get back home. It's a chance at life, really, isn't it? It's the first batch of hostages that are getting released today. We'll also try and rectify the audio line with Yifith folks from the Hostage Square in Tel Aviv. At this point in time, Pranay Upadhyay is also with us. Donald Trump, Pranay, isn't going to be in Israel as well, after which there would be an address to the parliament. But this very moment, when the hostages are coming back home after 2 years, it's really a fresh lease of life, isn't it?
Absolutely, it's a fresh lease of life. You can see the visuals of jubilation, hostage care of because the sight for people, those who have been saying, those who have been asking, those who have this conflict, those who have been the government of Israel as well, strike and get their people back. So the cause bring them home and bring them home now. So this is the day. Finally, the day has come after the 2-year-long ordeal of these individuals, those who remain in the captivity of Hamas. There are pictures of some foreign nationals as well, as you can make out from the posters there, that some of the Nepalese hostages, some of the Thai hostages were also being there at the hostage square. But besides that, on the other side, at the Gaza Strip, the preparations are still on. You can make out that preparations are also being made by the Hamas fighter. They are there in big numbers along with their arms.